Hello, welcome to my channel, The Everyday Miracle. In this short video, I'm going to answer many of the most common questions related to doTERRA's Deep Blue Essential Oil Blend. The first question being, what is Deep Blue Essential Oil good for? And where do you put Deep Blue Essential Oil on your body? And is Deep Blue Essential Oil good for sore muscles? So I'm going to help you feel confident when using your essential oils. If you truly want to grow your knowledge about Deep Blue Essential Oil Blend, then keep watching this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. So hey there, I'm Denise Ari, and I love using and educating others about essential oils. Deep Blue Soothing Blend is the origin of doTERRA's popular line of Deep Blue products. Since the creation of Deep Blue, the blend and its offspring products have been a favorite among doTERRA customers due to Deep Blue's powerful and effective nature. The Deep Blue Essential Oil Blend can be applied topically to provide a soothing and cooling sensation that is perfect for a comforting massage. It is well used by athletes and exercise enthusiasts and can be applied topically to soothe muscles and relax the body after strenuous activities. This soothing proprietary blend can easily be applied to the skin through direct oil-to-skin contact, or it can be diluted with doTERRA's fractionated coconut oil for individuals with sensitive skin. The Deep Blue Soothing Blend is made up of select CPTG, which is certified pure tested grade essential oils. This means that each essential oil that makes up the Deep Blue Soothing Blend has been tested through the CPTG protocol. This protocol contains a series of strict tests that assess the purity of each batch of doTERRA essential oils. When the essential oils pass the protocol, they are deemed pure essential oils. The CPTG essential oils in doTERRA's Deep Blue Soothing Blend is part of what makes Deep Blue so effective and powerful. The purity of an essential oil is crucial when selecting essential oils to use and bring into your home. Unfortunately, many essential oils available for purchase contain filler substances or contaminants. Oils that are impure will decrease the power and effect of an oil. When you purchase oils that are pure, you will receive quality essential oils that have a stronger effect and will help to more fully meet individual and family needs. So to use Deep Blue essential oil topically, mix it well with a carrier oil of your choice. Test the mixture on a small, inconspicuous area of your skin, like your forearm, before applying it somewhere sensitive like your face or something that's going to be exposed. If within 24 hours you see redness or irritation, don't use the mixture. Now, I would like to share a few ways you can use Deep Blue Essential Oil Blend. The first is that Deep Blue is a perfect companion for a massage. Give your body a relaxing break and get a massage using Deep Blue Essential Blend. This blend can be combined with doTERRA's fractionated coconut oil to increase fluidity of the massage strokes, enhance the reach of the Deep Blue Essential Oil Blend, and help protect sensitive skin. 2. If you are looking for an invigorating exercise blend, look no further. The Deep Blue Essential Oil Blend has the perfect combination of essential oils to help soothe and comfort exercise enthusiasts of all levels. For a comforting solution that will empower and soothe during and after exercise, apply Deep Blue Essential Oil Blend to your feet and knees pre and post workout. Number 3, growing can cause great discomfort. and even be the cause like of restless nights. To assist your growing child during their growth spurts, combine the Deep Blue Essential Oil blend with a few drops of fractionated coconut oil and massage it into your growing child's legs before bedtime. This will bring a cooling and soothing feeling that will help ease discomforts. Number 4, moving can be a long and strenuous process that can sometimes put unwanted stress on back muscles. After a long day of heavy lifting, rub a few drops of Deep Blue on your lower back. The cooling and soothing sensation of Deep Blue oil will bring you relief after a very strenuous day. Number 5. Typing on the computer may seem like a minimal activity just for your wrists and fingers, but the act of typing influences and tenses many other upper body parts. After long hours on the computer, rub Deep Blue Essential Oil blend on your fingers, wrists, shoulders, and neck, and this will help soothe and cool and relieve all of those areas. And I know I use it for that quite often because I do a lot of typing. After completing a long run, dilute a few drops of Deep Blue Essential Blend in fractionated coconut oil and massage into your desired areas. This application will provide a cooling and comforting sensation for you after your workouts. Maybe your legs, maybe your arms, depends on if maybe you're riding a bike, something like that. Great way to use Deep Blue after exercising. So are you wondering just how to use essential oils? There are 3 common ways that we typically see essential oils being used. The first is diffusing. This is the fastest way to get the oils to your brain. You just place 4 or 5 drops into a diffuser of your choice and turn it on. The second is internally. Add 1 drop to 4 ounces of water or liquid, although not all oils can be ingested, so make sure you check for the supplemental facts label to know for sure if you can take it internally. And the third is topically, and this is the most common use of essential oils. Apply 1 to 2 drops of oils with some carrier oil like the fractionated coconut oil and apply it to the desired area. Now keep in mind you could have possible skin sensitivity, so that's why you want to dilute it with a carrier oil, and keep essential oils out of the reach of children. If you are pregnant, nursing, or under a doctor's care, make sure you consult your physician. And avoid contact with eyes, inner ears, and sensitive areas. And when you're using hot oils, which typically are a lot of the citrus oils or the Deep Blue oil, you want to avoid sunlight or ultraviolet rays for up to 12 hours after you apply the product. So this is a great product to use before bed. So if you're ready to use Deep Blue Essential Oil, visit theeverydayMiracle.com/ready-to-go or email me at denise@theeverydayMiracle.com and make sure that you ask me how you can get to use this Deep Blue Essential Oil. So if you enjoyed learning about Deep Blue Essential Oil and know of someone who could use Deep Blue Essential Oil, share this video with them and let me know in the comments down below how you are using Deep Blue Essential Oil. Thank you so much for watching and joining me on my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. Also, check out my other essential oil videos, and if you want to know when new videos are coming out, subscribe to my channel. And remember, you are always divinely protected and divinely directed by Spirit.